Hello guys, and welcome back to lessons in PIC microcontroller software creation and implementation. I just wanted to say thank you guys for the 100 subscribers. Now we have 103. It's been a while since I've been back on. Holidays have been interesting, so it's been a while since I've made a video. But I just wanted to take this moment to announce. This is more of an announcement video than a tutorial. I want to let you guys know that we got some really cool stuff coming up on the horizon. I'm going to do a series of videos, the next set of series of videos, just in my appreciation for all you guys' support and everyone subscribing and all the good questions and comments that I've been getting and great feedback from you all. I think I'm going to do a whole series of videos from start to finish, an entire project. And what I mean by entire project is we're going to go from initial concept to doing schematic capture, to going to board layout, laying the board out, doing maybe some 3D modeling of a case for it, getting a case, doing the 3D modeling, exporting the board layout to a CAD software to import it in, so that way we make sure connectors and things, LEDs, whatnot, go in the correct spots, so that when the case is then created and the board is slipped into it, everything fits properly. So I'm going to be showing you some 3D modeling softwares. I'll also be showing you how to scribe your own boards, which is going to be kind of cool. Doing one of the methods for etching your own boards, showing you how to do that. So basically we're just going to do start to finish, how to do all of it, how to also build the correct files to send to board houses to get professional grade boards made, a lot of that stuff. I think the first sets of videos is we're going to start with just kind of getting you guys familiar with the different tools and things that are available for you guys out there. Pretty much if you're a hobbyist or that's just wanting to get into electronics and do it as a hobby, or if you're wanting to actually, really produce sellable quality things, I'm going to show you guys how to do all of that. We'll start with what type of CAD softwares there are out there for schematic capture and board layout. We'll look at those and look at some freeware ones that'll give you some abilities to play with the softwares and see what's out there and get started without having to spend a whole ton of money on software, because sometimes that can be painstaking, especially if you spend a whole money on software that is not very intuitive or very well put together. It's kind of frustrating, so I'm going to go through all of those. I'm also going to go through where to get components. I've had a ton of people ask me that, friends and whatnot that have come over to my house and see my library of components, and they wonder where I get all that, because where I live, there's only a couple places. You can either get them from Radio Shack, which Radio Shack after a while becomes very limited, especially if you want to do microcontrollers and things like that. They're pretty limited on different things that they have. They do have a lot, but they do tend to get kind of limited. They don't have the exact resistor values that you need, because they don't have full decades of resistors. Also, you may not have, in the place where I live, I've got a place that, an electronics store that does have a whole ton of electronics. They stock a bunch of different things, and they're a specialty store. A lot of you may not have that as a convenience, so I'm going to show you some online places. There's a number of places that are kind of like the Amazon of the electronics world. They have everything you could ever possibly imagine. I'm going to be showing you some of those places and where to get them. You can shop from them as an individual. You don't have to have a company, so you can just use a credit card and order whatever you want. I'll also show you some good places to find some cases, basically electronics enclosures and stuff. Everything from like key fob type enclosures, kind of like your thing that you use to start your car with or unlock your car with or whatever, like key fob type deals, all the way up to big box enclosures to put things in, everything like that. I'll show you how to do all that stuff. So that's what's coming up on the horizon. There may be some more. There might be the tutorial on the USB tutorial. In fact, that may be the one that I'm going to use for this whole series. We may make a USB to serial adapter, I think, is what we're going to be doing for that series of things. So I'll be showing you how to make all the different things that come with that. Like I said, scribe your own boards, all that fun stuff. So I think that's a good will be a good series of videos for you all, and to kind of show my appreciation for all the great feedback and all the subscriptions that you guys have given for me, because I enjoy doing these videos. I really enjoy sharing my knowledge with whoever will listen. So I thank you guys for all the support. Stay tuned. Tell your friends. Get more subscriptions, because we got some really cool stuff coming, and I'm really excited about. So stay tuned, and I will get the first set of videos up as soon as I possibly can. Alright, thank you guys.